Hello, welcome to Sharvaris. This is Sri Lakshmi. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Pochampalli silk sarees. These are double ikat Pochampalli silk sarees that come with silk mark tag for purity of silk. I'm going to show you 10 sarees from our collection today. We have a lot more available on our website. Our website is sharvaris.in. Let's go into today's video. The first saree for today is a very elegant fuchsia pink Pochampalli saree. This is in original Pochampalli weaving. The saree has fine checks along the body. This pattern continues throughout the saree. The saree comes with this trending long and short border, that is a long border towards the lower side and a shorter border towards the upper side. It also has thick and glowing zari strips on both sides. This glow will reflect on your face when you wear it. The saree comes with this beautiful Pochampalli pallu. This is original Pochampalli weaving, and the saree also comes with this silk mark tag. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how the saree will look. This border gets highlighted. This saree comes with this rich ikat blouse. It has ikat pattern all over and of course with zari strips. The second saree is a lovely and beautiful off-white and fuchsia pink Pochampalli silk saree. The saree has lovely Pochampalli patterns on both sides of the saree. These patterns continue throughout the saree, as you can see here. The saree also has these lovely and subtle zari strips next to the borders on both sides. Along the body you have small diamond Pochampalli patterns. On the pallu, again you have a lovely Pochampalli pallu on fuchsia pink background. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look, highlighting this beautiful border. The saree comes with this attractive contrast pink blouse with zari borders on both sides. The next saree is a lovely green and blue Pochampalli silk saree. It's a double ikat Pochampalli silk saree, just like the other sarees we are showing today. This shade of green is pretty rare. You can see that it's somewhere between olive green and drab green, and this blue is midnight blue. It's a lovely and rare color combination. The saree has subtle zari borders on both sides and plain borders on both sides, highlighting these beautiful ikat patterns all over the saree. The same pattern goes all over the saree. And this is a lovely pallu that the saree comes with. It's a midnight blue pallu, highlighting the beauty of the saree. It comes with these ikat style lines on the pallu. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. This saree comes with this attractive contrast blouse in blue with zari borders on both sides. The next saree is a beautiful midnight blue and off-white Pochampalli silk saree. The saree has lovely and elegant off-white borders on both sides with silver zari on them. And in the body of the saree you have ikat patterns all over against this midnight blue background, making it look very attractive and beautiful. This is the pallu. The pallu has silver zari all over. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how the saree would look. This saree comes with this elegant off-white blouse with zari borders on both sides. The next saree is a beautiful juniper green and rose pink Pochampalli silk saree. It has fine ikat patterns all over the body of the saree. The entire saree goes like this. It has attractive and plain rose pink borders on both sides with zari borders as well. This is the pallu with simple ikat lines. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. This saree comes with this attractive rose pink blouse. It's a contrast blouse with zari borders. The next saree is a lovely off-white fuchsia pink and leaf green Pochampalli silk saree. The saree has lovely ikat patterns all over the body of the saree. The entire saree goes like this. The saree comes with this trending long and short border. It has a short border on top with zari, and on the lower side it's a big border with temple patterns and ikat patterns on a leaf green background. The saree comes with this very rich ikat pallu in multiple colors. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. This saree comes with a very rich ikat blouse, same as the pallu. The next saree is an eye-catching azure blue Pochampalli silk saree with white ikat patterns all over the saree. The entire saree goes like this. The saree also comes with attractive zari borders on both sides. Towards the lower side, the saree also comes with these cute deer patterns. This is the pallu. Comes in simple zari. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, it will highlight these deer patterns. This saree comes with this simple plain azure blue blouse with zari borders on both sides. The next saree is a lovely lawn green and royal blue Pochampalli silk saree. The saree comes with this trending long and short borders. It has a short royal blue border on the top, and towards the lower side it has these rich ikat patterns, floral ikat patterns. The saree also has a small strip of green on both outer edges, highlighting the beauty of the saree. Along the entire body of the saree, you can see rich ikat patterns. These same patterns continue throughout the saree. The saree comes with this beautiful and attractive ikat pallu. Against a royal blue background, it serves to highlight the entire beauty of the saree. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, it will highlight this long border. The saree comes with a plain blouse with zari borders on both sides. Since it's a plain blouse, it accentuates the beauty of these ikat patterns all over the saree. The next saree is a lovely and beautiful vermilion red and navy blue Pochampalli silk saree. The much loved checks have made a much deserved comeback. As you can see, this saree looks so beautiful and attractive with temple borders in ikat patterns. The borders, that is the navy blue borders, have beautiful lines of zari on both sides, making it look very traditional and attractive. The saree has zari gold checks all over the body. The same pattern continues throughout the saree. And this saree comes with this rich ikat pallu against a navy blue background. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the saree, this is how it would look. This saree comes with this beautiful and attractive ikat blouse. The pattern is similar to that of the pallu. This blouse has zari stripes all over and of course on the borders as well. The last saree for today is a leaf green and fuchsia pink Pochampalli silk saree. This saree comes with the trending long and short border. It has a short fuchsia pink zari border on the top with temple borders as well. On the lower side, this is a big border, as you can see, with deer patterns, with ikat patterns in the middle, and that's on a zari background. And it has alternating yellow and white temple border patterns, a small strip of zari as well. It looks very attractive and very rich. Along the entire body of the saree, on a green background, there are white, yellow and pink ikat patterns that run throughout the saree. This is a beautiful pallu that the saree comes with against a fuchsia pink background. Here's another view of the pallu. If you pleat up the sari, this is how it would look, but because the sari comes with such a big border, open pallu style would be the best. This sari comes with this contrast blouse with a big zari border on the lower side and a smaller zari border on the top. I hope you liked the Pochampalli silk saris that were shown in today's video. All these are hand woven original Pochampalli silk saris with a silk mark tag. We have a lot more saris available on our website shervaries.in. The links to each of the saris displayed in today's video are given in the description box below. The link to this entire collection is also given in the description box below. Please let us know in the comment section what kind of saris you would like to see in our upcoming videos. We'll try our best to show you those saris. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel.